Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to show you how to make pork shoulder steak. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I know I always say that, but you're gonna love it. For this dish, we're going to need the following ingredients: pork shoulder steaks, 1 red onion, fennel, new potatoes, 1 apple, parsley, rosemary, water, chicken stock, and cider vinegar. First off, we're going to start chopping the potatoes into 2 centimeters chunks. Then we're going to put a drizzle of olive oil on a baking tray, and we're going to pop the potatoes on the baking tray. We're also going to season those potatoes with salt and pepper. Then we shake it, baby! Now you're going to roast those potatoes in your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. Now we're going to chop the fennel into 1 centimeter slices. We're going to peel the red onion, we're going to cut in half, and then we cut in quarters. We're also going to cut the apple in half. We're going to remove the core and seeds, and then we're going to cut into quarters again. Now we're going to roughly chop the parsley. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to put a drizzle of oil in a large frying pan. Then we're going to add the fennel, the onions, the apples, and we're going to cook on medium heat. We want to break up the onions and the fennel. Now we want to season with a pinch of salt, and we also want to add a pinch of sugar to help to caramelize the vegetables. Then we cook for about 6 minutes. Once the veggies are brown, we're going to add the cider vinegar and let it bubble away. Now it's time to prepare the stock. We're going to dissolve the chicken stock on warm water. Then we transfer the vegetables into an oven-proof dish, and we're going to pour the stock on top of it. We're also going to put the rosemary on top. Then we cover with a lid, and we're going to take it to the oven. Now we pop the vegetables to the top shelf of the oven, and we leave it there for 20 minutes. We're going to remove the lid halfway. Now we're going to heat a drizzle of oil in the frying pan, and we're going to fry the pork shoulder steaks. We need to season those steaks with salt and pepper as well on both sides. When you finish frying the steaks, keep the pan to one side with any juices left. We want to use them. Now I slice the steaks. The dish is almost ready. If you like steaks, press the like button right now. When the vegetables are ready, we're going to discard the rosemary and we're going to separate the vegetables from the stock. Now we're going to use the stock and the juices left to the pan and half of the parsley to create a really nice sauce. That's it, the dish is ready. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. Thank you. See you next time.